I was sent this Ranella Scarless Skin Recovery. Now this is a first aid gel. It is not like a scar cream. It's more of like to prevent scars from happening in the first place. But this is a great little thing to have on hand at all times because you're not really sure when you're going to need it. One thing I love about this is that it is plant-based. They're like low on allergens, so if you have sensitive skin, this will probably still work for you. My son was at the park. He had gone down a really hot fire pole and he got a little burn on his hand. We did have some burn cream in the first aid kit, but it was just like the run-of-the-mill burn cream and was not fantastic. So I was looking for different options. I came across this one. This looks extremely like great. This looks fantastic because it is a nice gel. I'm going to show you what it looks like here. It's this nice gel. It has a little bit of color to it, but you can rub it in really nicely. It goes on nice and clear, and it doesn't really smell at all. So this can help your skin heal. You can use it for burns or wounds. It definitely is a more natural approach, which I think is cool. I also saw that they kind of have used these on battlefields, and it's really been great there as well. So if you're looking for a first aid gel, this is a great one to consider. It can help prevent those scars in the first place. So if you're wanting to keep this on hand, you never know when you're gonna need it. So I would highly recommend just keeping this in your first aid kit for whenever you do. So hope this helps, just seeing it up close and kind of seeing the texture and stuff. It's very nice and light. It's not sticky at all, which is great. And it's supposed to be fantastic for healing. So hope this helps.